If you want to create a new Gmail account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can set up a brand new Gmail account quickly and without confusion. Whether you need it for personal use, school, work, or just to keep things organized, this guide will make the process simple. And if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you already have on your device. Once the browser is open, go to the Google Accounts page. You can search for Google Accounts or type in the address directly if you already know it. This is where Google lets you create and manage new accounts. When the Google Accounts page loads, look for the option that says Create Account. Click that, and Google will ask what type of account you want to make. For this tutorial, choose For My Personal Use. This option is the most common choice for individual users who just want a regular Gmail account. Next, Google will ask for your name. Enter your first name and the last name in the fields provided, then click Next. Make sure the name you enter is something you're comfortable using because this may appear in your account profile and emails you send. After that, you'll be asked to enter your birth date and gender. Fill in the required details carefully, then click Next again. Google uses this information to confirm account eligibility and personalize your experience. If you're entering this for a child or family member, make sure the information is accurate. Now you'll reach the part where you choose your Gmail address. Google may suggest an address for you automatically, or you can click Create Your Own Gmail address if you want something more specific. Pick an email address that is easy to remember and professional if you plan to use it for work or important accounts. Once you've chosen the Gmail address you want, continue to the next step. Then, create a password for your new account. Try to make it strong by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays secure. Enter the password, confirm it if needed, and click Next. This password will be your main way to sign in, so make sure it's something secure but still memorable enough for you to manage later. At this point, Google may show you a verification step using a QR code. If that happens, simply scan the QR code with your phone. Open your camera app, point it at the code, and tap the link that appears on your screen. Then follow the instructions on your phone to complete the verification process. You may need to switch back to your computer or browser afterward to keep going. Once the verification is complete, your new Gmail account setup should be finished. You'll now be able to use your Gmail inbox, access Google services, and start sending and receiving emails. It's a good idea to take a moment after setup to review your account settings, add a recovery phone number or recovery email, and make sure everything is secure. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Gmail account. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.